Hello everyone, and we are back and talking about our ENGR 3222 course. 3222s in 32. But anyways, so we are going to do a lot of statistical analysis and show you some very, very interesting tools and methods and approaches and statistical test methods to analyze data in order to make statements about your data. And this is really critical to any engineering discipline, so we want to make sure that we're good to go essentially for for this course. So let's break down essentially the structure of this course. So we're going to start off with, again, one, why do we need and what is the importance of statistical and experimental measurements? What are the types of error? Essentially, when we make a measurement, we have to with that measurement we have to put bounds. What are the possible measurements that we can make? Because when you measure something, it's not going to be the same every single time. So we need to establish how are we going to represent error, and that is going to be most often done through creating confidence intervals. So that is what we're going to be doing. Then we're going to jump into probability and permutation. In lecture 2, we're going to look at distributions and histograms and start to look at how do we samples versus populations and all of those good things. Then we're going to get into confidence intervals and hypothesis testing in lectures 4 and 5 and p-values as well. In part 2 of the course, we're going to get into error propagation. We're going to do ANOVA test as well as chi-square test. And then finally, ANOVA is very, very, it's becoming more and more an integral tool as well as chi-square test, but that's very, very, very important. So we're going to get into those concepts as well as fitting, regressions, and then correlations in the last part of the course. So that is effectively the structure when we look at our lectures. Each of these parts is going to have their own requisite exam, and then we'll get to that, obviously, when we get into the course. So that is kind of the outline of the journey that we're about to take. So I hope you're ready to go, and then I'm excited to see you all next time in the next video. I'm going to delete this so I can have it clean for next time, and I'm going to go to this next part, and then I'll see you next video. Thanks. Bye.